Hello children, how are you? Let me ask you a question. When somebody is in trouble and if you give them something that they really want and or if you do something for them, what do you call it? Yes, it is help. You are helping someone. So have you helped somebody in need or did anybody help you? How did you feel? Both ways you feel happy. So today we are going to learn about helping others. This chapter is teaching about some children who are helping a gardener who was in need. So let us go through the mind map. So these are the points that we will be covering in this lesson. Picnic. The name of the lesson is Picnic. It's chapter 11. And then the points we will be covering are Mali, that is gardener. Mali has a coat, okay, English also it's called coat. The coat has a pocket, jeb, and then there are children in the picnic, bacche, and then when they help the Mali, the gardener, they are very happy. Madad is help. So these are the points that we will be covering. Let us go through some of the hard meanings of this chapter. Dal. Dal is dali or branch of a tree. Avashya is zarur, that is means surely. Chakakar, tang karke means to trouble others. Mushkil, kathinai or difficulty. Then we have upay. Upay means tarika or a plan or idea. Sujhav, salah, that is a suggestion. Then we have pratiksha, that is intazar or wait. Anjane, bina jane, without knowing, unknowingly. Zaruratmand, jise zarurat ho, means those who are in need, the needy. Madad, that is the main topic of our chapter, is sahayata or help. Let me explain to you this chapter. Some children were taken to a picnic by their teacher. So when they went to the picnic, they were moving around the swimming pool, Tarantal. So they saw a coat hung on a tree. So one of the children, Ishan, he said, "Oh, I think this is the coat of a gardener, Mali, who is working there. We'll do one thing, we'll hide his coat and then we'll trouble the Mali or gardener." Then Nilesh, he was a wise child, he said, "Let us not do like that. What we will do is, we will do something good. We will hide some chocolates, we will fill the pocket with some chocolates and biscuits, and like that we will help the Mali. And let us see what will happen." So everybody, all the children liked this idea. So then after some time they waited for the Mali to come, for the gardener to come. Then after some time, the Mali, he came, he was so tired, he was wiping his face with his hand, wiping all the sweat, सारा पसीना हाथों से पोंछ के आया और उसने अपना कोट लिया. He took his coat and he started to go home. And then he was just going, then he started fumbling. What is this? And then he saw chocolates, oh, biscuits. And then he looked here and there, idhar udhar dekha. Ye kisne dala? Who put this in my pocket? And he started to wonder. He was surprised. And when he did not see anybody, jab usne kisi ko nahi dekha, then he lifted both his hands in the air and he said, "Thank you, God. You know everybody's heart's desires. My son, in the morning only he had said that when you return back home, you should bring chocolates and biscuits. And I didn't have a 1 penny also in my pocket. एक फूटी कोड़ी पैसा भी मेरे pocket में नहीं है, जेब में नहीं है." So he was wondering, he was sad, what will I do? And you know my heart's desires, you have listened to my prayer. Oh, thank you, God. He said like that in a loud voice. All the children, they were hiding behind the tree. They heard this. And they were so happy that unknowingly they had helped this gardener, this Mali. So that is the end of the story, children. I hope you enjoyed it. It shows us that we should help others and it makes others happy, right? And when others also help us, we also feel happy, both ways. So let us go to this lesson, through this lesson line by line. Chapter 11, Picnic, which is on page 76. अध्यापिका जी हमें पिकनिक पर लेकर आई थी. Our teacher had taken us to a picnic. पार्क में चारों तरफ बच्चे ही बच्चे खेलते कूदते नजर आ रहे थे. The children were playing all around. चारों तरफ is all around in the park. बच्चे children. मैं अपने मित्रों के साथ खेलते खेलते तरन ताल की ओर निकल गया. So, as we were playing, my friends and I reached the swimming pool. अचानक, suddenly, मेरे मित्र ईशान का ध्यान एक फटे कोट की तरफ गया जो एक पेड़ की डाल पर टंगा था. Suddenly, my friend Ishan paid attention to a torn coat. Fate is torn coat, which was hanging on the branch of a tree. Paid is tree, डाल is branch. हम समझ गए कि यह कोट अवश्य किसी माली का होगा जो आसपास ही काम कर रहा होगा. We understood that the coat should be of a gardener who must be working nearby. ईशान बहुत शैतानी करता था. ईशान was very naughty. उसने हमसे कहा, He told us, मित्रों क्यों न हम यह कोट कहीं छुपा दें. So he said, friends, why don't we hide this coat? माली, that is gardener, माली अपने कोट को न पाकर परेशान होगा. The gardener will become troubled once he does not find his coat. उसे खूब छकाकर हम उसका कोट वापस कर देंगे. After troubling him a lot, छकाकर means troubling him a lot. After troubling him a lot, we will return his coat. क्यों? आएगा ना मज़ा? Won't it be fun? मेरे साथियों में नीलेश बहुत समझदार था. नीलेश was wise among my friends. उसने कहा, मित्र, he told friend, किसी को मुश्किल में डालकर हमें क्या मिलेगा? What will we get by causing someone trouble? क्यों न हम उस माली को खुश करने का कोई उपाय सोचें. Why don't we think of a plan to make the gardener happy? Happy is खुश. सब मिलकर सोचने लगे कि क्या किया जाए. Everyone together began to think about the plan. नीलेश ने सुझाव दिया. नीलेश suggested कि क्यों न हम अपने जेब खर्च के पैसों में से कुछ रुपए निकालकर उसकी जेब में डाल दें. So Neelesh suggested that why don't we take some of our pocket money and put it in the coat's pocket. Pocket is जेब. नीलेश ने कहा, नीलेश said, और हम अपनी टॉफ़ी, चॉकलेट और बिस्कुटों से भी तो उसकी जेब भर सकते हैं. And we can also fill his pocket with toffees, biscuits and chocolates. सभी बच्चों को नीलेश की बात अच्छी लगी. Everybody liked Neelesh's idea. Soon, देखते ही देखते कोट की जेबें रुपयों, चॉकलेटों और टॉफ़ियों से भर गई. So what happened? The coat's pocket was soon filled with money, chocolates and toffees. हम सब छिपकर माली के आने की प्रतीक्षा करने लगे. We all hid and began waiting. Pratiksha is waiting for the gardener to return. चलो यहाँ से चलें. Come, let's go from here. कब तक यूं ही माली की प्रतीक्षा करते रहेंगे? How much will we wait for the gardener? So they were waiting for a long time and they got tired. So they said, come, let's go from here. So Chaitali said, so let's go from here. हाँ, अध्यापिका जी हमें ढूंढ रही होंगी, वसुधा ने कहा। यस, आवर टीचर मस्ट बी सर्चिंग फॉर अस, सेड वसुधा। हम वहाँ से जाने के लिए मुड़े ही थे कि दूर से माली आता दिखाई दिया। When we were about to go, मुड़े means they just turned to go, we saw the gardener coming from far, दूर is far। उसके हाथ में एक खुरपी थी। खुरपी is we dig mud with it, no? A tool, a digging tool, trowel. So the gardener had a trowel in his hand। वह अपने दूसरे हाथ से बार बार पसीना पोंछता हुआ आ रहा था। And while he was coming, he was wiping his sweat with his hand again and again। बार बार is again and again। हम तुरंत इधर उधर छिप गए। Immediately we hid here and there। माली ने पेड़ की डाल से कोट उतारा। The gardener took the coat from the tree। जैसे ही पहनने लगा, वह रुका, मानो कुछ सोच रहा हो। As he was going to wear it, he stopped as he was thinking something। सोच रहा means thinking। फिर जेबें टटोलने लगा। He started fumbling in his pocket। अपने कोट की जेबें इस प्रकार भरी देखकर माली इधर उधर देखने लगा। So when he saw the way the pockets were filled, he began to see here and there। चारों ओर किसी को न देख वो वहीं बैठ गया और दोनों हाथ ऊपर उठाकर ऊंची आवाज में बोला। So when he saw here and there, he couldn't find anybody, he sat down। बैठ गया sat down and lifting both his hands up in the air, he said in a loud voice। ऊंची आवाज is loud voice। हे ईश्वर, तू सबके मन की इच्छा जानने वाला है। ओ गॉड, यू नो एवरीवन्स डिजायर्स। मेरे बेटे ने चलते समय कहा था कि मैं आज उसके लिए टॉफियाँ और चॉकलेट लाऊं। So my child, before I came here, he had said, my son or child, beta is son, he had said that today I should bring toffees and chocolates for him। When you come back, you should bring chocolates and toffees for me। लेकिन मेरी जेब में फूटी कौड़ी भी नहीं थी। But I did not have a single penny in my pocket। तूने तो आज छप्पर फाड़ कर दे दिया। You have surprised me with this unexpected gift। माली के ये शब्द सुनकर, माली इज गार्डनर, माली के ये शब्द सुनकर पेड़ों के पीछे छिपे बच्चों के चेहरे खुशी से खिल गए। When the children who were hiding behind the tree heard this, their faces were lit with joy। आज उन्होंने अनजाने में ही सही पर एक ज़रूरतमंद की मदद की थी। टुडे unknowingly, अनजाने इज unknowingly but surely, सही पर surely they had helped a needy person। ज़रूरतमंद इज needy। सबके मुख पर संतोष का भाव था। Everyone had the feeling of joy on their faces। So children, we saw that how other children who went to the picnic, they helped some needy person, and even the Mali was happy and the children were happy, both were happy। So what did you learn from this lesson? कि हमें एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए। जो ज़रूरतमंद हैं, the needy, we should help them। So children, won't you help somebody in need from today? So thank you and see you in the next video।